Now, in this tutorial, we are going to configure Telegram AI agent with OpenClaw gateway. So let's get started. So in order to configure Telegram AI agent channel with OpenClaw gateway, you have to visit BotFather on Telegram. It's completely free and you can create your own Telegram AI based agents and bots on Telegram using the BotFather. So you go to the google.com, search for BotFather, and this will come up. So if you are using Telegram web, the UI will look like this. But if you have Telegram downloaded on your local machine, open Telegram desktop and just search for BotFather. So this will pop up. So let's get started. So open in web, and this will open my Telegram. Let's wait for it and see how we can create our new bot in Telegram. So let's click on this start button. We click on start, and this will take some time depending upon your internet speed. So now we have different kinds of command for creating bot, setting a bot name, bot settings, the connecting these bots with the web apps, and many more. So what we will do is we will simply type the command new bot, and this will give us that what name you want to give to your AI bot, what naming convention you want your bot to be called. So let's call this bot as an general bot for Telegram, general test bot. Let's see if this name is available. Yeah, so this name is available, but it's saying like that the username for your bot, like it should must end with the name bot. So let's write it as general test bot. So this name is already taken. Let's try something else. General test 28 underscore bot. So yeah, so now we have successfully created Telegram based general bot, and the name of this bot is general test 28 bot. So now it has given us an access token, and we are going to connect this Telegram token in the OpenClaw gateway and chat with this general test 28 bot. So let's open our EC2 instance and open our OpenClaw onboard. So my instance is already running. Let's open my instance. We come up over here, we do the SSH, and this will connect me with my EC2 instance. So I have entered into my EC2 instance. So let's check whether our OpenClaw is running or not. So I will go to the port localhost 18789, and my OpenClaw gateway is not running. So what I would do is just simply open a new Ubuntu terminal, and here I will SSH it using the port forwarding using the port forwarded. So now what port forwarding this is going to do is, like, the OpenClaw gateway runs on this specific port, which is the 18789, and it runs on the local host 127.0.0.18789. So we have to forward that port with our local IP. So this will initially run the OpenClaw gateway, and we can see the OpenClaw running. So this will open the OpenClaw web UI, and in few seconds our OpenClaw web UI will open. So let's go to this terminal, and so now as we can see that we have OpenClaw web UI open. So let's open a new chat. We go to this chat and simply just we can simply say hi. So Now, this is not our main concern. Our concern is to connect the Telegram bot which we created, which was the general test 28 bot. Now, in order to connect this, what we are going to do is we will simply write OpenClaw on board, and this will give us some commands like how you are going to configure your Telegram AI based agents. So let's configure it. Let's say I understand this and type yes. And then after this we will have to go to the setup mode. We will click on the quick start, and now we have to update our values because Telegram has given us a new access token, and we need to add this access token into our OpenClaw gateway. So let's update the values. Now, which values we need to update? We don't have to update the model for now because we are already using the Olama model, which is the Gemma 431 billion model. So we don't have to configure the model. Let's skip this for now. Let's skip this model as well. Let's keep this model. We need to just configure our Telegram agent, and this might take some time. So now this will give us the channels. This is the main concern. We have to connect our Telegram bot API. We click on this Telegram bot API, and it is saying that Telegram is already configured. Now we need to configure Telegram. So let's modify the settings. Let's enter our Telegram bot token. Let's copy this bot token, and this is now being copied. Let's wait for it. So now when I clicked on this modify settings, it asked me like what do you want to do with the bot token. So I need to enter the bot token and configure it. So I already configured it before, but for your knowledge we need to create it from the scratch, from zero. So Telegram, it is saying Telegram token already configured. We will just say no, and we will simply copy our bot token. So this bot token is basically linked with your bot name, and this is an authentication, a method to connect your Telegram bot with OpenClaw workflow. So let's copy this and paste it over here. So I have pasted my bot token. So now my uh, uh, bot is being bot credentials are being saved into the memory, into the sessions as well. So OpenClaw will remember the bot token. Now it asking for the web search, like do you want to enable the web search for the Telegram AI based bot. So let's skip it for now, but you can also enable it so your bot can easily search the internet as well. So let's skip it for now. Now it is asking for configuring skills. Let's say yes, and we just have to like configure. If you have the API keys for the OpenAI, for the 11 labs, you can put those API keys and those 11 labs voice OpenAI real-time APIs. Their models will be available in your Telegram bot as well. So let's skip this for now. And now this will ask us to like do you want to restart the gateway. So we will just simply say yes, restart the gateway, and the gateway will start restarting. So once this is done, once the gateway is restarted, we are simply going to go to the general 28 bot. We will click on it, and we will start interacting with our bot. So before that, before that we need to connect our Telegram bot again with the gateway. So let's click on the start, and let's see like if we get any message or not. So currently we're not getting any message because we need to pass the ID of the bot to the OpenClaw gateway. So after passing that API token, given from our bot father, which was this. So we configured that API token into the credentials of OpenClaw. Now we can successfully talk with our general test bot, and this bot, like, you can talk with it, you can ask what your name is, what you can do for me. So let's get started. What can you do for me? So this might take some time because I'm currently using the Olama cloud model, but if you have a better large language model like Anthropic, OpenAI models, then the API calls are going to be really quick because their cloud-based models, their request, when you send a request to those models, they're really quick. So now currently I've just like asked what you can do for me. It is saying like I'm your engine growth and stuff. But now you can also configure this bot as well. Could you specifically tell me how much resources of my AWS instance are being used? So the beauty of these OpenClaw AI based agentic bots are that they can access your local files. They can uh, play around with your files, they can edit them, but only if you give them permission, only if you pass a good prompt, you pass a set of instructions. Like currently I'm just playing around with it. This is not the appropriate way to do, but in the next coming videos we will create our custom AI based bots with prompt engineering, with uh, following some instructions how the agent is going to perform. So now currently this general bot has given me a significant amount of information to me, like my current instance, the CPU usage, and the RAM usage and the disk usage. So you can see that this agentic intelligent based AI agent knows my resources. It currently gives me the logging and the monitoring, and it can also monitor my resources on my AWS EC2 instance. So this is really amazing. You can like do any kind of stuff with these Telegram based AI agents using the OpenClaw and Olama based models. In the next videos we will create email automation based Telegram agents, where we will connect Bravo API key and send automatic emails to different companies. Thank you very much.